Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Hauls. So today I will be doing a video on how to post a product to Etsy via print on demand and also via Printful. So you're going to go to Printful and connect your stores. If you guys haven't done that, make sure you go ahead and connect the store to Etsy via Printful. Then when you come in here, you click on stores, and once you get to stores, you're going to click on add product. After that, you'll be given this screen here. Now, some of these shirts are unisex, so I always click on men's clothing. And then after that, I typically do t-shirts because that's the best selling from what I understand. Now, I've only made, I think, 3 or 4 sales on Etsy since I've started the Etsy Printful integration and use my merch designs with it. So I click on all shirts. And then after all shirts, I actually come to this shirt right here. And I particularly choose this one because number one, it's a bestseller. Number two, it's got such a good starting price that your profits will be higher at the end of the day. So then after clicking this guy, which is unisex, it will apply to women's, youth, etc. Then it will bring you to this page here. So when you get to this page, you're going to go ahead and click on design. So all the colors for the shirts are already selected as well as all the sizes. So you're going to go to design. Once you get to design, you're going to click choose file. After choose file, it's going to bring you to this page, which will have a list of all the uploads that you've already done. So you're going to click upload to drag an image or a PNG or whatever you want from your computer or from your desktop to here. If you're doing Amazon merch as well, I typically have an Amazon merch file. And so when I'm doing my Printful stuff, I literally just go upload, click on the merch file, pick the latest design that I've created, click the upload button, and then it will bring you here. So yes, guys, I am showing you some of my designs, especially because I know some of them are getting out of style and I know that they can't be printed in time. Some of them they can, such as the dabbing Easter bunny. So actually I created these two solely by myself. They did not exist literally directly after I had posted my last video about Amazon merch and my designs and micro niching in the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency realm. Literally someone copied my design the same day. And so maybe it was one of you guys, and that's totally fine. Full transparency here. But this exact design was duplicated multiple times, and I have yet to see any sales on Amazon merch with this design. Maybe the other person got some sales, and if so, good for you guys. So I'm actually going to upload this guy. So after I clicked the upload button and it took me to my Amazon merch file, click the latest design I created, and I uploaded it. So this would be this. So check the box that you would like to do. Then after that, it will come up with this cue. You say place, and then after you place it, it will automatically place it on the shirt. After that, you're going to be brought to this page where it says choose mockup images. And what's really nice about like the Printful Etsy integration is they kind of like, they do these little backgrounds on the images to make it look more artisan and make it look more like Etsy-like handcrafted, takes a lot of work kind of designs. So you're going to go ahead and choose whatever color you would like to be your thumbnail. And you can see that it's already applied to all these different styles of shirts. Then it will bring you to this page here. You can front load the title with a bunch of keywords because Etsy doesn't really care. And then in addition to that, I always say thank you for visiting. If you would like to purchase this design on a different product, don't hesitate to reach out. For example, we can print it on hoodies, tank tops, coffee mugs, and much more. So the reason why I typically only do shirts is because you waste a lot of money if you apply it to all products. I think it's 20 cents per product. And thank you guys so much for using my link in the description from the last video. I really appreciate it. I've gotten a bunch of free listings and I hope you guys got your free listings as well. So it's a win-win situation. But I always paste this here because I'm solely uploading to shirts and I want to let people know that they have the option of using this design on other products as well. So again, you're going to type in your tags. You can do 13 max. And then after that, you click proceed to pricing. It will bring you here. Now, I think lately I've been doing $27, which would bring the total price, I think, to $38, which I know is kind of high, guys. But anyone that shops on Etsy is basically asking for higher prices. I personally shop on Etsy, so I do pay those higher prices sometimes because I do feel like I'm getting an artisan good. But now I know how much this works, and it's a little bit demotivating to shop from there. So go ahead and set your price to whatever. I typically type it in right here, and it will adjust all of these prices. And apparently they charge more for sizing, which I think is truly really rude and criminal. They're making a crap ton of money, so they really don't need to be charging extra for larger sizing. I think that's truly quite rude. After that, you're going to click on this big red button. I don't really know what it says because my thing is in the way, but then after that, it will take you, oops. Oh, so after you click submit to store, it will automatically upload it to Etsy and you don't have to worry about a single thing. If the product sells, you will be charged by Printful for the base cost of the shirt, and then Etsy will send you your profits of the totality of everything. So yes, you are going to get charged from Printful, but Etsy will also pay you too. And your payment from Etsy will absolutely be more than your payment to Printful, depending on how much you mark your products up. So overall, it's a pretty streamlined process. There's really no harm in doing it, especially if you're already doing merch and you're already creating these designs. You might as well double dip. So again, like I mentioned earlier, that each listing on Etsy is 20 cents. And if you use the link below that I will put in the description, you can get 40 free listings. So it's a win-win. I will get listings free and you will get listings free. No one will make any extra money, but hey, why not free listings? The option is that you pay for the listings. So it's pretty simple and pretty streamlined. Now, at first, when I first started out doing this, it was really confusing just because there's so many products, so many different tabs that you can click on, so many different like little key-in things that you can do. But I thankfully had Ryan to help show me a streamlined way that has worked for him in the past. Now, he does not have an Etsy account anymore. And if you guys have not checked out Ryan Hogue's channel, go check out Ryan Hogue's Passive Income. And guys, little secret, I will be getting promo codes for his merch and FBA courses, hopefully all of his courses, with the best promo code you can find out there. It's called the girlfriend discount. So I will be adding those to my description soon. So if you guys do want to learn more about this print on demand stuff, make sure to click the links below. I am happy to help. Reach out, comment below, and thank you guys so much for watching Mary J's Hauls.